All right. Are you struggling to log in into your company account after you have been migrated to REV360? Don't panic. Your account is not broken. Okay? You just need to revalidate your login detail, and I will show you exactly how to get it done.
You are welcome to the Analytical Entrepreneur.
Okay. Welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to revalidate your login detail on REV360 after your company information has been migrated into the portal. This is important to regain full access and continue to manage your company smoothly. Let's get started.
You are welcome to the Analytical Entrepreneur.
Okay, let's look at when you forgot tax performance credentials. Okay, you follow this process. You add your tax ID. Add your tax ID. So let me copy my client's tax ID because we're using a practical demonstration. Okay, you click and add. Click and add tax ID. Then the dates. All right. Then you select states. What you want to do now is that I want to validate this company. We already have the information on the tax performance portal, but we don't know the login details. So we come and validate. So you say tax ID validation successful. Validate details from here, and it will ask you for the email. You say set up your login detail for the 360 platform. So you are setting it up now. So you come and add the client email. Okay, copy it from wherever you have it. Then you add the email. Then password now. The password that you want to, you create passwords. Okay. Right. So make sure that confirm the password and complete registration. We tell you complete registration. You complete the registration. Okay. Right. Showing me sign there that the email is not properly written. So complete registration. Wait for it to complete. All right. Account created. So you have successfully created the account. Your REV360 credential has set up successfully. You can now access your dashboard. Go and then address and the login details that you use to validate that. Use it to enter into your account now. Right? Use it to enter into your account now. So press sign in. Beautiful. I've successfully logged into this platform. All right, you can see now it's successful. You can check your self-task filing and see whether we have any pending filing. So thank you for watching. Make sure you share this video with someone, share it, comment, so that they can get to those people that also need it. Thank you.
If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, share it, subscribe for more REV360 guides and tax compliance tutorials. Drop your comments in the comment sections. I will be glad to help you. I will see you in our next video.